Alright guys, so this is my big wrench sets. They range anywhere from 1.25" up to 2" and I have some double sizes of some that I need. I have a tendency not to remember to grab all my tools, and these are too expensive to forget. So I'm coming up with an organized way so I can easily see if I'm missing a wrench. Alright, and this is the start of it. This is 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood. In my service truck, I've got a place I can set this on top of my toolbox. So what I've done is I figured I need about 1 inch spacing between each one. So this is going to be a spot for a wrench. This is my 1 inch gap, spot for a wrench, 1 inch gap, so forth and so on, okay? This angle, I'm going to taper this so I can visually see. I'm hoping I can make it a little easier to see what sizes they are. So I'm going to taper it down, okay? All right, except for the end right here. So I've pilot drilled all these just to make sure, because bigger bits tend to walk on you a little bit. So I went ahead and just drilled a small, like 3/16 hole, and now I'm going to run the bigger drill bit through them right now. All right, so the first 4 I did at 3/8 because these wrenches are a little skinnier, and then I did 1/2 inch on the rest. All right, so now I'm gonna cut this out and cut my slots down. So since all these have to be the exact same lines on both of these boards, I've screwed these 2 boards together, okay? So I can run them through the bandsaw at one time, so it'll cut both boards the exact same every time. Alright, so I got them all cut out. I'm going to take the screws out, set these things side by side, and see what it looks like. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I've got some different makes and brands and wrenches here. But I can see pretty much all the sizes. So I'm really content with that. It came out really nice. Now we'll make the platform for the base. So I decided I needed a little bit of extra reinforcement, so I actually tapered a piece of wood all the way up because I thought it looked kind of cool. And that also helps support the wrenches, so it's not all just on these side plates. So it came out really cool. Let me get it sanded and stained, and we'll show you the final product. So what's up, guys? After my first job site travel, my wrenches were all kind of all over the place, sliding around. So I took some rubber, thin rubber, and anchored it in so the wrenches are resting on that to try and help prevent that. So we'll see how that does. It ain't that big of a deal, but I figured it was worth a shot anyways. So alright guys, this is the finished product. Came out pretty cool. Hopefully it works out good, and hopefully that helps you out. Have a good one. See you next time.